are not from Nagpur, so that's why he give to me a more important function in our entrepreneurship project, deciding of framing and finishing the paintings. So when he gives me that opportunity, so I will find out the suppliers of framing in whole Nagpur area. Then we will go there and meet the frame makers and asking for the how many each framing what they sold how what is the price of that particular framing. They they told us the particular price. Then we will say, sir, we have a bulk order for that particular framing, so how much we can negotiate in the pricing. So after that, after two three meetings, they agree to give that painting, that frame at 110 rupees each to us. Then second part of mine is taking painting from Bhargav, finish that painting in a particular frame, and decorate and deliver to customer. After that, we meet Persistent System Limited HR manager, Mr. Rahul Khorgade and Abhinav Parashar, for that we want to stall. We want to introduce our group in your office as a entrepreneur. They told me, they introduced us to Mr. Abhinav Parashar. He is a Klizma manager. He is a Klizma, means Klizma guy. The Klizma is a particular festival introduction system in that Persistent office. So he is happy and he is willing to help us. And then he gave the particular area in Persistent office to stall our goods and show all our goods to the employee of that Persistent company. So I will hand over to Ashish.
Let us say about promotion. What are the promotion activities we have done? First one is consumer sales promotion. It is nothing for attraction of consumers. First one is sampling mill. Means in this we prepared 3 paintings to show direct to the customers, so that they would get exact idea of that painting. Then in Persistent, when we put a stall in Persistent, then we provided some discount offers to customers. So we attracted their to customer. And next, home delivery. We also provide some feature like a home delivery, so that it is convenient to customer. Next is thanking. In Persistent system, we put a stall along with Diaz. We earn about 250 rupees as our commission in Persistent Limited company. To means when we put a stall in a Persistent company, the space provided by them is very large, and our samples are very less, because our data is in our laptop. Means right from designing to framing. So we use Diaz to attract the customers. Next is advertisement. We create mailers to send various types of corporate peoples. Facebook page and web page are also the promotional tool for us. Next. This one is a Facebook page created by us. Mailer on leaflet format. We used to send that the leaflet via mailer to the customers to attract, to show the, or tell you what is introduction of our group.
As far as the segmentation is concerned, we basically concentrate three as our major segments. As I have told you that our product is not a utility-based product, so the market for such product is very niche kind of. There will be targeted some royal societies such as Ramdaspet, Dharampet, which have industrial people, so that they can purchase our product. So these are our major. We target professional corporates, some households, and also service sector. Next.